Racing Genesis started. We have hidden moment. Break quickly at a start. Running by the release Pearl Bull. Moving up on the outside is Peter's Pride. In the middle portion, Miss Tripty. Apple Deuce up. Down on the inside is Moonfire. Agent Sarto. Apple Wild Sweet Felicia is the early trailer. When going along for the person, we have Pearl Bull. Takes command by the length. Moonfire in second. Then on the outside, hidden moment. Down in fourth is Miss Tripty. Apple Deuce up comes next. Agent Sarto is running by the rail. Alongside comes Peter's Pride. Apo second last, while Sweet Felicia is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Moonfire, Pearl Bull. Hidden moment is on the outside. Apple Deuce up is done in fourth. And in fifth comes Miss Tripty. Agent Sarto comes next. Peter's Pride. And here comes Apple, while Sweet Felicia is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. We have hidden moment. Moving up on the outside is Miss Tripty. Apple Deuce up. Agent Sarto. Apple likewise arriving at the scene as they swing for home. Apple Deuce up. Moving up now on the outside is Apple. Agent Sarto comes next. Last 100 meters. Apple Deuce up. Apple is on the outside. Apple Deuce up. Apple is on the outside. And finally is Apple. Apple Deuce up. Agent Sarto. Miss Tripty. Then comes Pearl Bull. Hidden moment.
Okay mga kaibigan, para dito sa ating race number 3, our unofficial winner, entry number 9, that's Apple. Only the third favorite para sa karerang ito. Mas segundo 5, Apple Deuce up. Siyempre, Agent Sarto.